Hey guys, what's up? This is Ernest Felix here, and welcome to Ernest Review. Today we'll review HyperQuizLists. HyperQuizLists has already gone online yesterday, the 7th of October at 10 a.m. EST. If you are into affiliate marketing, the most important thing is a email list. How to generate email lists? You know that generating email list is a real time consuming affair, and it takes quite some time to build up a list. And there are different ways of building up a list. Here is a list wherein posting a lame 30-second quizzes, you will be able to capture a lot of people trying to answer your quizzes, and they will be providing you an email, and you will be able to make your own email list. This is what Hyper Quiz List is all about. Before I go into it in depth, let me talk to you about earnestly awesome bonuses too. Now, once you're satisfied that Hyper Quiz List is going to help you in building up your list, you can click the link below and purchase this from me, and you'll be benefited with my earnestly awesome bonuses that will come as an incentive for purchasing it from me. And what are those bonuses? They are good bonuses and will be useful for you for your affiliate marketing. And they are: bonus number one, effective content marketing. You can learn the same content marketing techniques the pros use to make more money. Bonus number two, SEO and ranking tracking tactics. You can get the insider tips on the tools you need to track your SEO ranking like a professional. Bonus number three, Google Display Network hacks. You will learn from this how to drastically increase your traffic with Google Display Networks. Bonus number four, you get the killer blogging conversion tips. Through this, you learn the secrets to increase your blog's conversions with these proven tips. So these are the four bonuses. And apart from this, you'll also get 10 fast action vendor bonuses. And you can get all these from the Warrior Plus Access affiliate bonuses here from this place. Now going back to what is Hyperlist all about. You will agree with me, money is in the list. This is a popular saying in affiliate marketing. But building an email list is super difficult, expensive, and time consuming. If you try to build a list in the past, you know what I'm talking about. The competition is fierce, the cost per click is through the roof, and people don't sign up to opt pages anymore. They have they have been spammed to death by all the gurus out there. So you could be spending eternity creating contents, videos, and podcasts in the hope that people will find you and then opt in to your list. But guess what? 99% of the time they don't. Old outdated methods like these are not just working anymore. But what if I told you that there was a brand new way to build an email list for free? A method that smart brands, high IQ marketers, and underground affiliates are using to get 10,000s of buyers every single day by practically for free. I'm sure you'll be interested. And if it's yes, then I have some amazing news in HyperQuizList. Now, HyperQuizList, I will get into the members area and you can see for yourself what I mean and how easy it is to get an email list built at the earliest. Going to the prices and upsells, your front end cost about $17. And if you use a coupon, we give you a coupon code quiz3. If you use quiz3 as a coupon, you get $3 discount. And this $3 discount is valid only during this launch period that will expire on the 13th of October. So if you're interested, rush in and grab it now to save you that other $3. And there's one more thing I would like to tell you is after the launch period, the prices will be going up every hour. What do you get in the front end? In the front end itself, you get most of the things what you require to start building a list. Generate viral leads and convert them into subscribers and sales. 5 powerful secret app tools to overcome your competition. One click to embedded quiz to any site. Add your affiliate links in the buttons to huge commissions. Quick lead generations with most interactive way of quizzes. Manage lead from one dashboard. Built-in automatic and manual building. Built-in done for you email campaigns. 3 steps to get started with quizzes and list building. Built-in timer, attention bars for scarcity. Make polls, audience opinion, feedbacks and targeting. Segmentation of the leads for better outcome. Viral sharing tools is included. Complete analytics and reporting in one dashboard. This itself will give you majority of the things that you require to build your list. But if you'd like to go for the pro version, and if you're successful in that, definitely you will be tempted to go to the higher versions. Then you can go in for the pro versions that will cost you $37. So this will be a 4x your traffic and income potential with the pro versions. And you get a lot of unlimited versions in the what is there mentioned in the front end. This is $37. You get it at a downsell of $27, but these are without commercial rights. Then the OTO2 is $47, which is the traffic edition, and you can see the extra benefits what you will be getting, which is not in the other two. The downsell is $37 if you go during the launch period. OTO3 is a $47 shorts edition with a downsell of $37 without commercial license, and you have other benefits which is not available in the other three. OTO4 is $37 done for your campaign. So since it's a done for your campaign, it will make it easy for you to start building a email list. And the downsell is at $27. Again, this is without the commercial license. And you have the OTO5, which will cost you $147, which is a reseller editions. You can sell this to your clients and you will be able to earn and keep 100% of the commission. You get this also at a downsell of $127. This is also without the commercial license. HyperQuizLists comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. If you're not able to build an email list using HyperQuizLists, then you can always claim a refund and take your money back. From here, let's go into the members area and check out what it is all about. So guys, we are now into the members area. This is how your dashboard looks like. And in the dashboard itself, you get the training, the VIP pack and the bonuses. All the bonuses, the 10 bonuses, what I was referring to, you will get it here. You can download from here. Then this is the dashboard. You get the information about your last leads, 7 days leads. You get the lead distribution by quiz in a graphical manner. Then you get the top leads generated country wise. Then you have the quiz here. Then you can create a quiz. There is a in done for you in OTO1 you have the done for you quiz. You have the quiz list. You have the answers to the quiz. Then you have the analytics. You have the offers in the quiz page. So if you have to create a quiz, you have to click there and you have to put the name of the quiz from whichever niche you prefer. Supposing, let us say your niche is on some medical product. Let us say it is about frozen shoulder. So you can write frozen shoulder cure. Okay, so you have something frozen shoulder cure. Then you start a quiz. There are different types of quiz called the engagement quiz. With the engagement quiz, you create a quiz to understand users' ability on certain topics. Mostly it be a yes or no answer. And there's also a response generator. You can create a quiz to prompt interest for discount. After spinning the wheel, responder will get discount if he answers this correctly. So that is to encourage him and to make it more interesting. And then there's also a surveyor quiz. You can create a survey and analysis based quiz with a quick rating to understand users' interest on specific topics or a product. Then you have the score type. So again, this also makes it very interesting. So he answers and he will check out the scores, how much he has scored and how much he has knowledge about that particular product. So or subject. So then this gives him interest to carry on with more quizzes. And he'll also share with his friends. Once he likes that quiz is very good, he will share it with his friends. So this makes him interested in your quiz. Then you have the poll type quiz. We can create a quiz to understand how others' viewpoint on a particular topic is. Then you have the custom quiz. You can create a custom quiz of your choice. And then you also have a video quiz. So you can play a video or you can show a product and tell them, guess what this is. So these are the other video quizzes what you have. So let us say you go to the engagement quiz, you click on that engagement quiz, then you can select a quiz header or an image. Okay, let us say you have selected this, then you submit. In the next page, you can add a question, you can add a lead form, you can add a result, and you can also have a quiz setting, how the setting you want it to be. And you can start off with writing here, set start heading, then you can type your questions, like for example, your frozen shoulder. So let us say, what is the cause of frozen shoulder? Okay, something like this. You can start off, then you have a custom header and you have a enable to bottom bar on a start. So this forms a quiz. He answers as per the question what is given over here. So this is the body. Then you can select, if supposing you have a picture, then you can select the URL and you can add a picture of frozen shoulder here. And you can select from a Pixbay or you can select from a local disk and you can put over here. Unfortunately, I don't have anything here by local disk. Okay, so in the bottom bar, you can also write the button text. Cause. Okay, then you save it. Then you get the lead form. Lead, then submit. Add results. Then you have the quiz setting. Okay, I will show you the basic things. See here, now we have the frozen shoulder cure and the total views, the conversion rates, total clicks, and total leads you have got out of this particular quiz what you have conducted. So you can get your leads from this. So this is how basically it works. So when you capture the leads, now those leads will form your email list. Okay, there is here's a setting, SMT setting, autoresponders. So this is the quick view of how the members area looks like. And even in the sales page, Ram Rawat has explained to you how to go about with your HyperQuiz list in brief. Once you become a member, then you will be able to get your training. You can see the training from here. The complete training, quick demo, everything is over here. You'll be able to go through them. So there are quite a lot. I have not gone through them, so I'll not be able to tell you exactly. I don't want to misguide you, but quite an interesting email building method. So that's it, friends. So it is you who have to decide whether you would like to go for HyperQuiz lists and build up your email easily instead of going through the traditional, cumbersome, expensive method of building an email list. I'm looking at the price of $17. I'm using the coupon code quiz3. You get it at $14. This seems to be a good product to try out. If you don't like the product, you have the 30-day money back guarantee. Go on for it and take your money back. So guys, get Hyper Quiz List now and get all the bonuses below and the fast action bonus right now. Thank you very much. I hope you liked my review. Show your appreciation and give a like to my review and also subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for staying till the end. Bye.